What makes NKT a great place to work is definitely the colleagues. Having professional colleagues around you and people that care really helps you to do what you do. And I would also say that the career path here is awesome. I started off kind of at the ground level, you know, coming out of college, and then I was given a really good opportunity to develop myself within the company. And being able to grow within the company today is a really great benefit, and NKT is really good at that. One of the benefits of working at NKT that people might not know of is definitely that we are driving the green transformation, and we are at the forefront with a select few companies in creating the environmental change that the world so badly needs. Now, I'm not a person that goes out and demonstrates or anything like that, but you know, going home every day knowing that you actually make a change in your work definitely, you know, helps, and it makes you feel good. So that would definitely be one of the major things that I think is great about working with NKT.